Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike,
Me.
Hawkins.
Indy.
83, chillin', playing D&D.
I go missing.
OMG,
Demogorgon.
something awful. Major bull cut.
Echo Waffle.
Goodbye, Barb.
And Christmas lights.
The upside down.
We shut it tight.
Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike,
Max.
Upside down.
It has some cracks.
Will's possessed.
11's gone.
Major bull cut. Demodogs.
I like Nancy.
I like John.
I like Matt. And Mom likes Bob.
R.I.P. Well, so it goes.
Guys, I'm back.
The gate is closed.
Dustin, Lucas, Will,
Steve.
Robin.
Starport Mall.
The best in Hawkins.
Mike.
11.
We've been crushing.
There's no time. They found the Russians.
Ice cream.
Spy team.
Susie Poo.
Billy. Killing.
Get the crew.
Beat the Flayer.
Fight for glory.
Bull cut. Never ending story. Dustin, stop. Look where the time is.
Vecna's here.
He wants to find us.
Upside down.
It's right behind us.
Chrissy.
Wake up. I don't like this.
Vecna's coming.
Out to kill.
Hurry.
Go. Run up that hill.
Mom's in Russia.
Okay. But Ella's here.
To save the day.
Season 5. Vecna's lair.
Don't start floating.
In the air.
One more year.
With better hair.
Stranger Things.
We'll see you there.